Morning, y'all. It's Chris, the Sharp Guy. I'm going to show you how to cut a chicken up into 8 pieces. And then we're going to make it 10, but 8-piece cut up. Just put that pack in the back. Roll that chicken out to keep all that chicken blood in the pack if you can. Pull them giblets out. Take that chicken and I flip it over and get his wing. Right in the joint. Cut that wing off. Move the meat, not your feet. Spin that wing around. I'm doing just as much pulling as I am cutting. We got the wings off. We're going to come back and there's 2 lines right by the drumsticks. We're going to slit that skin. Then we're going to take and break his back. We're going to break the bone right there. We're going to finish our cut with the knife. While we got that breast in our hand, we're going to split beside the spine, right through the ribs. Get that open. We're going to crack that brisket bone. Fingers out. Give it a crack. Then finish the cut with the knife. Let's lay it out. There's our breast. There's the wings. Alright, now we got this back end of the chicken. Right down the tailbone, right from the tail up, split that leg quarter. And on the leg quarters, there's a little line of fat right there. That's where the joint is. Separate the thigh from the drumstick. See how easy that goes through? You hit it right on that line, just like so. So now we have our 2 thighs and our 2 legs.